Every time I travel around in China, there are so many nice places, but when I come back to Xiamen, I feel home. One of the things that springs into mind is it's always green. The park arrangements, the flowers, trees, everything, every time of the year is green, and I love it. And it's close to the sea. I've always been attracted to water. So these two combinations is a good combination for me. Xiamen is relatively small. It's the island, and then you have the mainland. Xiamen is just a pearl. Xiamen is doing a lot to support the business environment. And then we have the railroad going all the way into Europe, which is half the time of the freight by sea. And so these initiatives, which is connected to Belt and Road, is really supporting our business as well. All my family in Denmark is asking, when are you coming back? And I say, I don't know if I'm coming back, because it's really nice here, business is really good, it's safe, so why leave?